Welcome to Short Girl Collective.
Shorties be snacking.
Episode 2. So just be honest and tell us that you broke it. You obviously had meat there.
Cash, cash. Sumimasen. You okay, sir?
Japanese food in Delhi.
I think everything is like in Gurgaon.
Oh!
Oh my god, that is so cool. I didn't know that.
That's crazy. We don't just play music and fuck bitches.
You know, she just found out.
Sexual things that I haven't ever known about. Welcome to the
Short Girls Collective.
We do everything that tall girls do.
And more. Can we smash snacks together?
What are we doing?
Shorties be snacking.
Welcome to Short Girl Collective.
Shorties be snacking.
Episode 2.
Smashed it.
So, I heard you went to Japan and
That is true. I concur.
You
but I
concur.
will not put it in a code of evidence where they ask me to for my tax.
so you went to Japan as a vegetarian.
I went to Japan as a vegetarian. It was one of the most hardest times in my life.
So just be honest and tell us that you broke it. You obviously had meat there.
No, of course not. Not at all. What are you talking about? Never.
You think they gave you vegetarian
See,
food
there
the
were
whole time?
points in which I had questionable broth, but it's always nori. So that's the whole point of Japanese snacks is that paise.
Oh
my god! Cash drop! Didi. Whatever drops on the set belongs to the other person.
Wait.
It's a Let me put the mala.
Stop.
We're married together like a
No.
One
Don't.
for two girls. One for two girls भी तो हो सकता था यार. हमने one
Okay,
for two girls
cut.
किया.
Okay, let's do it again.
No, there
Anyway,
is a cut.
let's go. I want to cut into. It just want to be like cut, and I want to get back to the
No,
conversation.
this is real life. There are no longer
I
any
know,
cuts.
fuck.
Everything is a continuity. But
Cool.
anyway, so continuing with it. You have struggles as a vegetarian. You will never find any ramen. The best ramen I've ever had is this mall in Thailand, Bangkok, from a Japanese branch which doesn't exist in Japan altogether, at least not in Tokyo. And they have the best butter miso ramen. It's the heartiest, amazing bowl of ramen you can get as a vegetarian. You don't get anything like that in Japan because, of course, the broth has to be something which is either chicken bone broth or pork bone broth. So there's nothing in between for me at all. I went to this
उनके
shit
gods नहीं बोल रहे हैं क्या vegetarian खाने?
The cameraman. Sumimasen. You okay, son?
उनके gods नहीं बोल रहे हैं क्या vegetarian खाने के लिए?
नहीं, I think उनके gods ने peace बना ली है with the fact that we're all one, so let us eat each other.
Fine. Okay,
That's
so
what she said.
so now that you're there, you're roaming around.
I'm roaming around and I find like this vegan Japanese place because I went to YouTube vlog channels and I was like, let me figure out which one's an actual good vegetarian space. So there's this Russian girl and she's like, there's this amazing spot, you must go there, called Tan Tan Men. Okay?
Tanta.
It was the absolute worst. Like I don't
Oh.
think I've had.
I
a
really thought you were
shittier-
gonna say the other
and
way
because
around.
I've dragged Sahil with me, so he's just sitting there without eating anything.
Sahil name
Sahil.
keeps coming up again.
Is this Sahil?
Cool.
He's just a man who accompanies everyone during their travels. A spirit, a travel spirit.
Frankly travels.
He travels.
Yeah.
Frankly, he travels.
Yeah.
So
What did you get?
I got that. They gave me this broth, and I am not a fan of clear broths at all. So it's this broth with no personality, no
It's water.
emotions. Yes, it's clear broth like clear soups. I just stay away from them. It doesn't make any sense. Just
It's water with salt.
wash your vegetables
Yeah.
and have that.
Okay.
If you want to have a clear vegetable broth, right? Have that, nothing, flavorless. Go to Bangkok, have the best ramen ever. Go to Kuraku in Delhi, which has the best ramen ever.
Yeah.
Sesame ramen has been always.
You
my
keep
favorite.
saying, yeah, Japanese food in Delhi.
Huh.
There's like, what is there? Kuraku, Mensho, Tokyo. What is there?
There's Kuraku, there's Mensho Tokyo, there is Ibisu. There's, I think everything is like in Gurgaon because all the Japanese.
एक तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आता है क्योंकि हम सब अब यही बोलते हैं एशियन फूड तो मुझे नहीं समझ आता है कि व्हाट आर द लाइंस बिटवीन जापानीज एंड चाइनीज एंड कोरियन मेरे लिए सब एशियन फूड हो चुका है
I think Chinese, even I don't really know what's Chinese. Like you will have
Chili chicken.
exactly. Like I don't know what's Chinese food because our
Hakka
first
noodles.
idea was polluted like porn. If you would watch
Like porn?
and you have sex for the first time ever,
don't
you will
get
realize
it.
a huge difference between
Okay,
it.
ma'am.
So you have like Chinese food in India, and then you finally have Chinese.
Or
food
like
and
you've
you're
grown up watching movies about American college,
Yeah, and you're like,
and then you go to DO,
why aren't girls just flashing their titties everywhere? I thought you.
and then you go to DO and you like मेरी टेबल में जाले लगे हुए हैं और मेरी वॉल्स पे पान के स्टेन्स हैं
मेरा प्रोफेसर
और कोई केक्स नहीं ला रहा है.
कोई केक्स तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करते.
कोई केक्स exist नहीं करते हैं.
I don't know what are kegs.
I don't know. It's really bad. Coming back, what did you get me?
So we got
I saw you.
Obviously, I couldn't have gotten ramen from Japan because
Why?
well, it would have been worthless.
I'm sure
But I
they
do
find a way
have-
to package it.
Next episode is Japanese ramen. I'll make you
Ooh,
ramen. I got
ooh,
instant
ooh.
noodle packets as well, which we could.
You're gonna poison me on live.
Would you like to take a bite of this burger?
No, man. What is this burger?
I always offer burgers with fries.
No, man. This is really funny shit. But
Okay, cool.
this is not real food.
It's not real food.
But this
fast food
is
generally is.
like this is what they sell in supermarkets anyway now.
Huh? Ooh.
Food that's not real.
Reliance food. You're taking that food too lightly. Okay. We've got ourselves something super unique and interesting.
What is it? It looks like something related to tennis off the top of my
Oh,
head.
because it's that green, like Costco green.
Yeah, but it's also got like, oh my god, sorry, random fun fact,
हाँ.
but tennis rackets के जो वो बने हैं ना, the strings of a tennis racket are actually made with
Yarn. Do you want me to guess?
Yeah.
Spider webs.
No.
Fortified
No.
silk.
the insides of a cow,
Oh my god, intestines?
cow intestines stretched.
All of them.
और ये तो अब शुरू हुआ था स्टार्टिंग में, but जो हमारे main नहीं हमारे main नहीं, but the real a lot of pro players
Yeah.
still prefer those rackets,
Because
elasticity and
bounce?
yeah, and going like over the
Wait,
years
you're telling me there was no plastic at all that could compete
in the
with cow?
no now it does
हाँ.
does and the way they kept changing the material, new players with new techniques started coming in कि अब ये वाला player spin कर सकता है, ये ऐसे कर सकता है, ये वैसे कर सकता है.
Dude, that is so fucking crazy.
Yeah. So it's not just random people doing random stunts. It's related to the material they're using and.
Oh my god, that is so cool. I didn't know that.
That's crazy.
Did you know like even cheese?
We're just remixing other podcasts material because I heard this on a
That's
podcast.
That's what happens when you call a DJ to a podcast.
Yeah, oh my god, that's true.
In case you were wondering if DJs talk, they do. They've
yeah,
got
we do.
opinions. They've got
Yeah, we
emotions.
do, we do,
They're
we do.
more than just music.
We don't just play music and bitches.
Oh! We play tennis with them.
Okay, show me. What is
no,
this?
but cheese. It actually came from
What?
the stomach of the enzyme that is found in a cow's stomach called renin. So there's an enzyme which helps in digestion. Cheese originally would use that fucking enzyme. So all the cheese that you get in France can't be categorized as cheese unless and until you use that. So almost everything you're eating is non-vegetarian technically.
Yeah.
Because you need to cut open a cow in order to get the enzyme and then use it in that cheese making process. It's
Okay.
fucking crazy.
That's
it doesn't happen
weird.
in India though.
That's weird.
Tennis balls, not really. If you
What is
actually
this
notice
called?
this, then these are peas.
Okay.
So this
Yeah,
is
they
from
are
a brand
peas.
called Calbee, or in Japanese they would call it Karabi.
Should I try it?
Okay, first you gotta take it out. And
Are
it's
you
going to
obsessed
shock
with them or do you not like them?
Obsessed. I would have never
Okay.
thought I would like a chip made out
Okay.
of peas.
They
but
look
at
like-
that.
I don't know.
They look like peas.
Oh yeah, they do look like peas.
So now just take one small tiny bite. And you see that aeration, there's a degree of saltiness and it's kind of light and it doesn't have like a fake vegetarian flavor. It just actually tastes like what peas would taste like.
Yeah.
This blew my mind.
It's very strong in texture.
It's strong in texture, so this is like the best beer
It's very
snack
dense.
you can get. Yeah. But it's super airy. Like all of this is just under there's nothing.
It's so interesting.
It's so weird. So take a couple
It says
of
bun bun.
oh my god, so good. Oh my god, the salt. I
It's
think
really-
Japanese get
yeah.
the salt right.
But India में कोई नहीं बना रहे ऐसी चीजें.
Because India mein, let me offer it to
Our cameraman.
So this is one of my offerings, and now it's become like a cult beer snack because it doesn't fill you up like peanuts would fill you up. Instead, it just makes it light, easy to drink
Cool.
and eat with. This
So-
was Peas by Karabi.
I got you something I know you used to love a lot.
Oh my god! Because tiny girls get
Little hearts. I mean, the packaging looks different though.
the packaging actually looks a little bit high.
They're so strange. They are never anywhere you go,
Yeah.
but they still haven't stopped as a brand.
No, they haven't.
Like, so they are being sold, which
I've never
means
seen an ad for Little Hearts. Oh, I have.
It's like
On
you-
Valentine's
like-
Day, you get a couple of ads for Little Hearts.
you
but
go
don't
anywhere,
get
no one ever offers you little hearts.
Houses. Even
ये तो
घर
खुलता
पे
भी नहीं है.
Why? Can I just say I suggested this right at the start? Why do you think I conveniently opened this?
How do I open this?
Nikha? Every girl needs a little heart to be stomped on.
I mean, this is another thing of Indian products.
They don't open.
They copy everything.
Like
They don't know
Indians,
how.
we don't open.
We don't open.
We're so bound.
Because
in
when
our
you
bed.
try, oh,
Not me. I don't identify as a bound person.
little hearts, dude.
Unless in some situations I like being bound.
Why don't people offer you little hearts wherever you go?
Why are you gay?
I don't know, because they don't have very big hearts.
Try it. What is it even?
Wow, it's filled with sugar. It looks like a heart. I don't know how they would get this
Looks
look
like fried. Yeah.
like a
Jalebi.
A croissant.
Oh yeah. Let's see what it says.
Oh my god.
It tastes amazing.
It's the right amount of sugar. My big problem with this
It's a
was,
good Indian snack to give that
Is this
takkar.
a purely Indian snack? You don't get this anywhere else?
I don't know what. Will I find out 30 years later it's Italian like Bata?
Oh my god. You know, she just found out that Bata is not an Indian brand.
I never knew it was an
What
Italian
else
brand.
did you just find out now? Do you want to talk about your sexual
No, I don't want to talk about
Not yet. Not yet.
sexual things that I.
Continuing with the savory section of Japanese snacks, we have another one from Calbee or Karabi. This one actually looks like fries. And lo and behold, it comes with a ketchup sachet.
No!
It looks like fries, it tastes like fries, and it comes with 2 sachets of ketchup, which is something
Wait, it
even
looks like
McDonald's.
potato chips यहाँ पे. Oh, वहाँ पे
But
fries.
you see those now, ऊपर से पूरा fries है.
So what is Calbee like their Lay's?
Dude, I don't know, they figured it out. They just understand we
But
don't
like-
know how to open products.
What's happening Japan? What's happening Calbee?
And Japan has this really cool policy. I mean, you're going to see this in the next one, but what you see on the product, on the packet itself, it's supposed to look exactly like that.
No,
So whatever's on the packet,
no.
the inside product has to look like that,
Okay.
otherwise you're not allowed to sell it. So
Cool,
you can't false advertising.
Why can't we have this policy on pretty girls and pretty men?
open this? I mean, Instagram.
Pretty girls and pretty boys need to be exactly how they look on the outside.
That's
When it comes to their heart,
Yeah, that's true. I'm okay with the heart. I don't know.
the insides, I mean, the emotional. Oh my god, it looks like fries.
Yeah, okay. Okay, look at this. It actually comes with these 2 sachets of ketchup and the inside is just fries. So
Let's
here.
compare it.
Are they the same?
Ooh!
Almost, so close. These are the fries we've got.
Oh, I know what this tastes like.
What is it?
Um,
What is it?
you're not gonna like it.
it. But you have to eat it with this.
You go for it.
No, you eat the ketchup also, not just so that you try it. I will like it because I like my bubble being burst all the time.
No, it's really nice, but it's reminding me of the tomato chips. Pink, wo jo
Picnic. It has the same texture as picnic, but without the flavor of picnic. Oh my god.
Japan has
So
so
this-
many interesting
It's
snacks.
such a good beer snack. That is such a good beer snack. Like fuck peanuts, fuck everything else. This is
The ketchup
something
is
I would-
amazing.
It's just so incredible. Wait.
Don't follow
Don't subscribe.
if you're not a short girl.
Grow up.
Oops.